Functions. Function means block of reusable code to perform a specific action. Reusable code means using an existing code without writing it every time we need. Defining a function. Function is uniquely identified by the function name. Syntax is def space function underscore name of colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, pass. Pass is a syntactic placeholder for the purpose of syntax. Here instead of pass, you can write your own code. Let's take an example. Def space greet of colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, print of within double quotes, hello. Press enter, press backspace in keyboard, name equal to input of print of name. Let's run it. I am giving input as jog. Press enter, see. The output is jog. Here hello is not printed in output. Why? Because we did not call the function. Calling a function. The functional block of code is executed only when the function is called. Syntax is def space function underscore name of colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, pass, press enter, pass, press enter, function underscore name of, press enter, pass. Pass is a syntactic placeholder for the purpose of syntax. Here instead of pass, you can write your own code. In this example, after name equal to input of, I am calling greet function as greet of, print of name. Let's run it. See, I am giving input as jog. Press enter. See, the output is hello jog. Defining and calling a function. A function should be defined before it is called. Let's take an example. Name equal to input of greet of print of name if space greet of colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, print of within double quotes hello. Let's run it. I am giving input as jog, press enter. See, the output is name error, name greet is not defined. Now I want to print hello jog within a greet function by taking input as name outside of a greet function. Like inside greet function, msg equal to f within double quotes hello space question mark print of message. Now input is jog. I want desired output as hello jog. Now we use the concept of function arguments for this type of scenarios. Function with arguments. Function with arguments means we can pass values to a function using an argument. Syntax is def space function underscore name of arguments colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, pass, press enter, pass, press enter, function underscore name of arguments, press enter, pass. Let's take an example. Def space greet of word colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, msg equal to f within double quotes hello space within curly braces word, press enter, print of message, press enter, press backspace in keyboard, name equal to input of greet of word equal to name. Let's run it. I am giving input as jog, press enter. See, the output is hello jog. Variables inside a function. A variable created inside a function can only be used in it. Here in this example, I am removing print function inside greet function. Now I am giving print function outside of it like print of msg. Let's run it. I am giving input as jog, press enter, see, the output is name error, that is name msg is not defined. Returning a value. To return a value from the function, we use return keyword. Syntax is def space function underscore name of arguments colon, press enter, It automatically takes indentation, hash, reusable block of code, press enter, return value. It exists from the function when return statement is executed. Let's take an example. Def space greet of word colon. Press enter. It automatically takes indentation. MSG equal to F within double quotes. Hello within curly braces. Word. Press enter. Return space MSG. Press enter. Name equal to input of. Greeting equal to greet of. Word equal to name. Print of greeting. Let's run it. I am giving input as jog. See, the output is hello jog. Code written after return statement will not be executed. Here I am giving print function as print of within double quotes. After return statement, code is not executed. Let's run it. I am giving input as jog. Press enter. See, the output is hello jog. So print function is not executed after return statement.